Maybe you're asking yourself what possibilities exist these days to present your product in the most attractive locations in the world, whilst at the same time helping the environment. With the very first mobile kiosk, which merges design and efficiency. Freedom means independence. Harness the power of the sun and demonstrate commitment to environmental protection. Freedom means mobility. Transport your CUBOX whenever and wherever it suits you. Take advantage of this opportunity and gain new customers for your product. Freedom means functionality. Have your CUBOX furnished the way you want it, because it's time to make your ideas and dreams come true. CUBOX, a step in the direction of freedom. Let your CUBOX work in as individual and flexible a way as you wish. CUBOX, clean energy, anywhere, anytime.